akong isang babae. Maklaro na kami sa Good Last Ride. Bati kayo na. Hala.
Wala ko lang kung ano.
Sige.
Ano ba?
Hello guys!
So good evening. So naka-check-in na diri sa JJ Resort and Spa. I can really highly recommend this resort. Kaya nilukid-check ka ng mga tawag ni? Nilukid room and everything.
Loading na ko, naka-Costa.
Okay, so since we're done checking in, we will go out. We will tour around beachfront because we will look for food because we're so hungry.
And we're so tired because the biyahe is so draining. So there. So we will make a room tour later. That's for you guys. So now when we're heading to beachfront, we will look for
See you there.
See you there, guys.
Bye.
Ano tawagan ni? I don't know. Crawfish? Do you like it, Nika?
Yeah, very much.
Okay. Okay, so
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
chicken sisig rice bowl. And then isa ka crispy pata rice bowl.
Ma'am, so rice bowl lang naman. Kung drinks natin, Pepsi, ice tea.
With drink. Ang rice bowl with drinks and drinks. With drinks.
Ice tea.
Very good. Same ma'am.
Unsay kan choices?
Ice tea, Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Merenda.
Mountain Dew lang. Ang sa crispy pata Mountain Dew.
Pata, ma'am.
Yung mga?
7-Up na, wala.
7-Up. Eh, dito na ma'am. Pwede ko makuha ngayon na ma'am. Ma'am, ang yan, dito rin ang order nyo. Isang prato naman gisado, isang chicken sisig rice bowl, 7-Up ang drinks. Isang crispy pata rice bowl, ma'am. Ma'am,
Pipi.
thank you.
May nakita kong isang babae.
Karo ra?
Gamay ra.
Maybe siya fire dancing.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome to our hotel! So, JJ Resort! So, we'll be having a quick hotel tour. Then after that, we will have our room tour. So, let's go!